just doing what they gotta do. So kune risk ukuthi izinto zingayenzeki, but I do know there are genuine people, but these days it's risky. So you gotta teach yourself izinto wena yourself. Teach yourself yourself. Because you have a mind. That mind is capable of anything. Minds are anything. As you can see, I am trying to learn this editing thing, and I'm learning through my own self. And YouTube, going to YouTube, checking how it's done, getting all that is needed, like going through the whole procedure. Just welcome. Melusi also just joined. So, hey guys, we gotta do this thing. Anyways, you wanna do it so that you can get love from to figure corner, because you can't just wake up and just be up there. You can't. Some can. Not all of us can. Not all of us, but I'm just saying. It's all a matter of learning how to do certain things. So I decided to actually go through it myself in my own way. So that is what's been going on. I've been doing it my own way, and it's been going just the way it has to be going. I have to start somewhere to get to somewhere. So it's another thing. I have to get to somewhere to get to somewhere. So that is what I'll say, guys. With that being said, the word of the day today is strangers will make you rich. Strangers will make you rich. The people who know you, they won't come until it is time. Until it is time for them to come, but just be wary of that. I repeat again, today, the word of the day is strangers will make you rich. People who know you, they won't make you rich. They'll make sure you are wherever you are so that you can be closer to them.